Reasons for Igbos agitating for Biafra Republic. Guru Maharaji revealed. Mohammed Ajirobata Ibrahim, popularly known as Satguru Maharaji, the founder of the One Love family, says Igbos are agitating for the Biafran Republic because of the lack of proper management of Nigerians' resources, human and materials. Guru Maharaji, as reported by City News Nigeria, who is referred to as the living perfect master by his followers, made these comments in an interview with All News at the Mahaji village along Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, Ogun State, southwest Nigeria, where he spoke on the agitation for the Republic of Biafra and Oduduwa. This online news platform understands that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, who is also the director of Radio Biafra, is agitating for the Republic of Biafra. His group, the IPOB, which is also seeking to break away from Nigeria, had since been proscribed by the Nigerian government led by President Muhammad Buhari. Like Nnamdi Kanu, a British from the southeastern part of Nigeria, is agitating for the Biafran Republic. Some Yorubas from the southwestern part of the country are also agitating for the Oduduwa Republic. Reacting to the agitation from several quarters in the country, Guru Maharaji stressed that there is nothing wrong with anyone agitating, but it should be violence-free and seek the face of spiritual, living perfect master, just as they call on President Muhammad Buhari. The founder of the One Love family, who asked all agitators to look up to him for solution, said the agitation for Biafra is strong because the Igbo man has not been given a chance to speak. In response to the call for the 2023 presidency to go to the southeast, this words, there is nothing wrong with agitating or protesting, but it should not be by violent means. The agitation for Biafra is because of the lack of proper management of our resources, human and materials. The Igbo man has not been given a chance to speak. If you go into the Nigerian contest, a universal contest allows anybody to be president. But because Nigerian is not moving, Nigerian is not like a broken down car. If Maraji did not come, we would have been in trouble. On Nnamdi Kanu, fight for Biafra, Guru Maharaji said, the brother Nnamdi Kanu is trying, only that he should go back to the 85 to 87s when the case of Ebitu Okiwe came up and he was sacked. Who was the person the Igbo went to meet? I was the one when they came. I told them to relax, that in the next few months something will happen, and that is what brought Nwachukwu Ike and many others. Even though they are singing different songs now, all is not lost. I only forbid violence by the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB and the police because Nigeria is a country of many divergent views. We are like sweet honey in the role that is about to lead Africa. So the Biafran agitators come down and all focus on Marachi. I urged all agitators to seek the face of Marachi, who they can see just as they call on President Muhammad Buhari. What is causing the trouble is that the northern politicians have now gradually almost succeeded to turn everybody into beggars because laws are made but not followed. People are being denied their rights. Thank you for listening to this news. First of all, let me complete the definition of Guru Maharaj concerning Biafran's quest for freedom. They are not only agitating for Nigerians' inability to manage the resources of the country. They are also agitating for the humiliation of Igbos and the denial of position they alone keep handling and minding top positions, leaving the Igbos with nothing. So who are now the slaves? The Igbos, right? So the Igbo looked at it, said, okay, since we have not been allowed to rule, so is it not better that we go on our own separate ways? So who is now the slave? Right? So that is by the way. Then another thing is this. Guru Maharaji, the Biafrans have who they call upon. They have who they rely on and who they believe on. And the only person they believe on is God, the Most High God. He has been the one doing it all the while. That Biafra has gotten to this stage is all because of God. It's all because of God. It is God that did it and not man. Alright? So no one should say anything. No one should even call on Nigerians or call on Igbo to put their attention on anybody. Igbo has been doing it with God, and God has been seeing them through. God has been seeing them through. So they are not seeking for your support. They appreciate you. They appreciate you for your support, for speaking on their behalf. Fine. They know that you've been speaking on their behalf for a very long time. They appreciate you. They appreciate you for saying that yes, this is what the Biafran request for. It shows that you are there, but I don't think they want to seek for your support. They are very okay. You understand? They are very, very much okay. Alright? So to my fellow Biafrans and still on Guru Maharaji, the Igbos, the Biafrans have never fought for freedom with violence. They have never for once inculcated or add violence to their agitation. They have never for once done that. If they have done that, you will never see any international country or any international organization wanting to have anything to do with them. What makes you to feel that all these international organizations are supporting Biafran freedom? International country, they are supporting Biafran freedom. What makes you feel that they are doing that? They are doing that because they know that they are armless group. They will say to you, even Donald Trump in his sleep will tell you those group are peaceful group. Don't touch them. He will say to you why he's asleep. They are harmless free. They don't cause trouble. Their agitation is peaceful. It's just Nigerian is being greedy and wicked. They don't want to grant them their freedom. Alright? They don't want to grant their freedom. So, my viewers, please, your comments concerning this are very, very important. Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.